SHP-1 plasma saw is designed for dissection of heavy-duty materials in both on- and off-site locations. Users are advised to always wear protective clothing when the saw is in use.
Vital to the cause. I'll be with you every step of the way. Start by using your plasma saw. Take out the power boxes in this room. There should be 3 of them. Perfect. 1 room down. Now you need to keep up the pace. Move on to the next. Remember, always keep an eye on your locator. It knows this place better than anyone. Rig number 442. This type. No. There's a plasma cutter waiting for you in a locker near the server room.
Plasma cutter is suitable for everyday chipping and trimming tasks in the mining environment. Standard mode projects a single long-range energy blast. Rotation of the device switches between vertical and horizontal orientation, allowing for greater accuracy.
You'll need to rotate your plasma cutter to take some of these out.
Tyler, what exactly are we doing here? This is pretty low-level stuff I'm taking out. I'm worried we're endangering the Sproul systems.
Sorry, Vandal. You're not authorized to know that. Your engineering skills make you perfect for this task, but you're still a new convert to unitology. Relax and have faith. All I can tell you is that after today, the government will no longer stand in the way of the church. modules in this room coming up. See if you can find one while I work on these locks.
As an extension of the user's limbs, allowing for remote manipulation of objects and equipment. Personnel should be aware of the object's true weight when working in populated areas.
Kinesis to clear this crap out of the way. Excellent job, Vandal. What you've done here today will stand in church history forever. You're a hero. Now get out of there and head to the church.
See how blessed you feel when the government hears about what you've done.